American manufacturers are leading an innovation revolution, transforming the products we make and how we make them. But no matter the manufacturing operation, there will always be a need for skilled machinists. These are the professionals who create or repair parts that are critical to today's technologies. Machinists produce precision parts for a variety of applications. For instance, a computer-integrated machinist might make a custom part for a motorcycle, create a dental implant, repair a part from a manufacturing machine, or replace a broken robotic arm. The jobs are so diverse that it's hard to think of an industry where a machinist would not be needed. Not only are these professionals in high demand, but the precision machining industry provides challenging, satisfying, technical work with a great paycheck as a reward. As a machinist, you will read blueprints and CAD design files. Use CAD and CAM software to program and create parts. Program and operate CNC machines. Adjust cutting tools. Turn, mill, drill, shape, and grind machine parts to exact specifications, and measure, examine, and test products for defects. You will use high-tech tools every day on the job, and those with the right skills are ready for immediate employment. As a computer-integrated machining technologist, you will find meaningful work for good pay with a solid future. FTCC has the hands-on training you will need to get a well-paying job in this ever-expanding field. You could work in high-tech manufacturing, specialty machine shops, aerospace, aviation, medical, renewable energy, and more. If you are detail-oriented and like working with your hands, this may be just the career for you. FTCC, transforming the future by training the next generation of machinists.